Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Pro Series shock guards. These guards fit the Polaris Pro XP, Pro R, and Turbo R, all models. Install time is about 15 to 25 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. We are working on a Pro R for this video. Let's start by removing the 3 rivets with a 3 or 4 mm drill bit. This works best if you have an angled drill, yet still can be done. This will free the factory guard from the mount on the shock base. Now, remove the factory guard, and set it aside. Next, make sure that all the mounting holes are free from metal or plastic debris. There are 2 different factory guards. The one on the left is from a Pro R, which is secured with rivets. The one on the right is from a Pro XP, which is secured with bolts and backing nuts. Next, grab the DRT shock guard and insert a supplied 3 mm bolt into the front mounting hole. Then, align the guard with the front mounting hole, set in place, and thread on an 8 mm backing nut. Now, align and install both side hardware with backing nuts. Next, tighten down all 3 bolts, using a 3 mm Allen bit or wrench, and an 8 mm wrench on the backing nut. Then, repeat these steps to the other side of the vehicle. Congrats, that completes your DRT Pro Series shock guard installation. These shock guards are designed to protect a key component to your vehicle in a bold and aggressively designed package. Shocks, including their shafts, take a pounding from rocks, sand, and elements that can damage seals and lead them to premature failure and/or costly service. This kit diverts debris and protects the chrome shock shafts. made of aerospace grade 6061 T6 aluminum, laser cut, formed, and backed with a brushed aluminum contrast plate. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.